Hi everyone, welcome to Morgan and Mallet. Today we've got a super exciting opportunity for all you professionals out there. A lovely family of 4 in downtown Dubai is seeking an experienced private chef to prepare daily meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and light snacks with a focus on light, healthy European cuisine, particularly Italian. The role includes menu planning, cooking balanced meals for both adults and children, maintaining high standards of hygiene, managing groceries and kitchen organization, and being flexible with schedules and travel. European-trained chefs with private household experience and legal ability to work in the UAE are required. If you found this opportunity exciting and want to stay updated on more like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Don't forget to follow us on our social media channels for behind-the-scenes content, exclusive job posts, and more. The links are down below, so go check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.